Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's an exciting day. I bought a new build for the channel, or I bought something I wanted. You know, I've been looking at one of these, and I've been looking and, you know, putting little bids there and there, you know, not really telling Michael what I bought. And I won something, and it was really cheap. It's probably like the cheapest, biggest build we've ever gotten. You know, and by the thumbnail, you guys already know, but Michael does not know yet. You know, I try to keep a surprise on him. You know, we try to buy something all the time. It's been pretty much almost a whole year. Last year I was looking during the summer and during, you know, springtime, fall time, and it would pop up there and there. You know, this thing, I estimate at least 35 feet long, you know, and as you guys see the fish tank, I like fishing, you know, and so this would have been like another little addition, I guess, you know, one of those little goals to get, because I wanted the RV, we got the RV, and that was pretty epic, you know, I was pretty happy about that. We still got the RV, we still love camping, things like that, and this is the next thing, like fishing, hitting the water, because we actually have the boat we rebuilt last year, and then we bought another boat we're still going to be rebuilding, and then this popped up, and Michael doesn't know how much I bought it for, because it was really cheap. So let's get Michael over here and let him guess on how much I got this boat for. Let's see if he's excited, because the last two boats, he wasn't that excited about it. You know, I don't know why he doesn't like boats, but you know, it is what it is. I like it. But let's get Michael over here and see what he thinks about it. Hey Michael.
What's up, bro?
I bought you something.
Oh boy, not again. We have a lot of projects I have going on. Okay, what did you buy?
Okay, I bought it for me, but since we like to fix stuff, you know, I thought it'd be good.
Oh man.
It's only like at least 35 feet long.
35 feet long? Oh, you bought another boat, Ivan, didn't you?
I did.
Oh man.
But it was a really, really good deal. I could not click it. I only clicked it like 3 times and I won it.
But we already have a boat. We have to fix anyway.
But this is bigger.
Okay, alright.
Like really, like 35 feet big. Like saltwater big.
It's like a yacht big. That's crazy.
Like no trailer big.
Oh man, that's gonna be so much work.
Go ahead, go look, just go check out what I got.
How much you get it for?
How much do you think?
I mean, what year is it?
99.
Okay.
Sea Ray.
Sea Ray, I heard that's a good brand.
Think cheap.
5,000.
No. Think cheap.
I mean, 5,000 is pretty cheap. I mean,
no, think even cheaper.
All right, 2,500.
Cheaper.
I mean, how cheap are we gonna go here? It's 20. Okay, $1,000. I'm sure you picked it up for $1,000.
No, even cheaper. It was a boat. That's what I'm saying. I had to click it.
Dang. I mean, I don't know how much cheaper it was to get than $1,000. That's crazy.
It was a flood.
Okay, flood, but still, 99, huge boat. $500? I mean, there's no way it's $500.
Cheaper, Michael.
So the winning bid was less than $500.
Yeah.
Dang.
With fees, it was less than $500.
That's crazy. Yeah, that's basically it. I mean, what? $100?
More.
No way. Okay.
More than $100.
More than $100? Yeah, I'm about to say that's crazy. So what was the bid, Ivan?
Like 125, I think.
That's crazy. $125 winning bid.
Yeah. See, now check it out. Now you're excited about it, aren't you?
Okay, let's see what this thing is.
All right, Michael. What do you think?
Dang, so that thing is crazy looking.
See, $125.
That's
I wasn't
insane
lying.
for a yacht.
It's considered a mini yacht, I think.
Wow. Wow, okay, the interior is pretty bad looking, yeah.
I mean, it's still there.
That's true.
And look, it got free, what, algae or rocks with it?
Oh yeah, the little clams and stuff on the side. Dang, this thing was definitely in the ocean for a while. But man, so it says other boat or something, they don't even know what it is.
Yeah,
okay.
If you look on the side of it, it says Sea Ray.
Yeah.
And it's got the little walk around thing tab in the front, it's got the rebar, it's got the big anchor thing, it's got like a fishing deck, it's got a tower.
That's crazy.
I mean, for $125.
Wow. I mean,
how can we say no?
How could we say no? So we don't know much about it though. Yeah, this is gonna be crazy. Okay, but the next problem is how are we gonna get this thing over here, Ivan?
I'm gonna have to find a trailer.
Yeah, for sure.
I thought a trailer's gonna cost more than $125.
Wow. Yeah,
or maybe call around, get some shipping companies, things like that, you know, and see how much they can get things shipped for. Because I do know a guy, I gotta call him and see if he can move it for us.
Dang. Yeah, I mean, that's definitely a new adventure. It's gonna be something that we haven't done before, but you know, we'll figure it out just like anything else, right? Can't be that bad. It's Copart. I'm sure we'll make it work.
And you guys, leave us a comment down below. So far, should we get this boat? You know, is this a good idea? Is it a bad idea? Good price? Bad price? Because I think it's a good price, you know? We always want to push the envelope a little bit, right?
Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, that's really cheap, $125.
I mean, it's got 2 engines, you know, it's got the little cabin side, probably has a generator.
Wow, 2 engines and a generator for $100.
And
They're just giving it away.
Oh yeah, I think we paid more in fees than we paid in the winning bid.
Dang.
But let me make some phone calls and we'll see what we can do. Maybe find a trailer or somebody to ship it.
Nice.
All right, so I made a phone call. I called him and he actually transferred boats for a living. And he told me he's a little busy right now. He's got probably a couple of weeks and we can't pay that in storage. So I've been looking around for a trailer and he told me roughly almost $3,000, maybe a little bit less, just depends on how much time it takes, because you gotta load that boat in the trailer, then you gotta move it, and it's really wide, he said. It weighs roughly like 13,000 pounds. Then depends if it has water inside this thing, and then it could weigh more. And you know, you might have to hire a crane to pick it up. So I was looking around and maybe we should just buy a trailer. I think I found one for a pretty good deal. We might have to redo the brakes on it or something, or probably get new tires. I mean, you gotta check it out. But the trailer has a little bit of issues with it, but nothing for us. I mean, we've messed with a lot of salvage things and we can get everything running. So I think I'm gonna go and get that trailer, and then we're gonna probably hit the road and you know, just see what we can do. You know, we're gonna hit the road, go out there. I mean, it's only like 4 hours away, 3.5 hours away, so it's not that far away. We can just get there, check it out, and if anything, we'll come back empty-handed or come back with the boat or another game plan or something like that. But the fees are adding up on it. You know, every day that we don't pick it up, we gotta pay a storage fee. So let's pretty much hit the road tomorrow morning and see what we got. All right, so let's go inside and check this thing out. It's pretty big, I gotta say. It's pretty wide, but it's definitely not overweight. We checked all that, looks good. It comes with some wasps, that's not good. But check it out. It was a water flood, but it's still a boat. So here's the interior. I guess we're missing a bottom cushion. This is the cooler or water something, live water something goes in there. It's got 2 engines in there. And it's got this whole big area. Like seating area, we'll go all the way up there. It's got a little cabin inside. Pretty cool. So it looks by the watermark, it was that high all the way across. But who knows? It's got a little bathroom area, shower. That's pretty cool. Control panels, all of that. Pretty much like a nice camper, you know. And then it's got a master bedroom over here. A little table. Still got some clothes in there. I mean, it's pretty cool. But let's go all the way to the top and check out the sun deck.
Alright guys, so basically the game plan is to just get these bottle jacks and lift it up. It's about 24,000 pounds that it could lift, so it should be good if our boat's only, what, 13,000 pounds? I mean, I don't know, this thing is huge, so we never did it like that before. But that was our game plan from getting there. I mean, we're looking at it, we're like, alright, some kind of plan, just lift it up, slide the trailer underneath. But when basically we got there, we seen somebody already lifting up a boat, and we're like, hey, this thing's a yacht. I mean, it'd be nice to have some kind of professional help on it. So we reached out to them, hey guys, once you're done, can you give us a hand? You know, load up our boat as well, because I don't know if these bottle jacks are gonna do it. And they said, yeah, they'll be able to help us out.
544 giving us a hand today.
There you go, 544, helping out. To the pros. It's our first time, might as well. Yeah. They got the right tools for the job. It'll be a lot easier.
All right, Johnny, go head up a little more.
Gotta get off these front ones first.
Gotta go slow. Somebody on the front jack over there?
Yeah, you got it.
Let's go 5. Are you ready? On your mark, go. 2,
Pump it. Okay. I didn't. No, we're not pumping, right?
Hold on, no, we're not pumping.
We're not pumping.
You guys are good?
Yeah.
Okay, stay on your mark. All right, guy, listen.
Yep.
We're not gonna go, let's just go another 2.
Got it.
We don't want to take it off the stands, you understand?
Got it.
We want the fronts to get off those 4x4s on the floor.
What we want to do
That's
is
the first
get
object.
this trailer over.
Yeah, he's got a long way to get down here for that trailer.
We need
About to start dropping it.
Come on, killer.
Man, it looks so easy. Come on, man.
Yeah, oh yeah, see, now you know who's talking there.
All right, guys, I got it done. 544. Auto sales that came in handy. Clutch. I mean, we didn't know what we were getting into.
Get a picture of that one too.
we had the jacks. They had the trailer.
Nice.
You
And we
know?
needed some help.
Oh, yeah.
That's
Yeah.
what it's about, helping people.
I appreciate it. Thanks, guys.
Thank you, guys. There's their boat.
Yeah. Dang, guys. So after many hours of struggling and trying to get this thing loaded, looking at it, we just don't feel safe driving back to South Carolina with this trailer. It basically dipped in. It feels like our trailer's bowing out, and that's a heavy yacht. So we just don't feel safe about it. I mean,
They're about to close. They're closing. We got to go.
Yeah.
We can always come back.
we could come back to it. I don't know what we're gonna do with it, but we know it's safe here. But if we break down the middle of the road, we don't know what we're gonna do. So you got definitely, count the cost, and I feel like this time it's worth it even to make another trip come back to it. But at this time, we're gonna call it a night and leave the boat here. All right, guys, so we made it back to the shop. We drove back. Pretty much, I didn't feel safe driving back, with the trailer and like that. Maybe we had to adjust the trailer a little bit more or do some things. I just didn't want to go back, start driving, and start having issues with it. So pretty much we came back to the shop. We're gonna make a new game plan and hopefully go back there. I mean, hopefully. But leave us a comment down below. Should we go back? Should we go get this thing, or should we just sell it there? It's got a trailer on it now, so I mean, technically it should be worth more money. But leave us a comment down below. Should we go back and try to get this boat back over here and do a build on it, or should we just leave it alone? But thank you for all your support. We'll catch you guys next time.